Hello everyone, today we're going to be making oven-baked Texas-style brisket. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 8-pound brisket and place it in a foil pan. We're going to take a knife and puncture the brisket all around so that the sauce and spices are all absorbed. In a small bowl, thoroughly mix together 1 tablespoon of steak seasoning, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Take the mixture and brush it onto all sides of the brisket. Next, we're going to cover the meat with a piece of parchment paper and then wrap it tightly in aluminum foil. The parchment paper is important so that the meat does not stick to the foil. We're going to place it in the oven on bake at 195 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 hours, then increase the temperature to 250 degrees for another 7 hours. After baking, use a food thermometer to check that the meat is cooked through. The brisket should be at 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The brisket will almost melt in your mouth. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Enjoy!